Okay, let's see how to set up the photocell for the 1240, 1280, and 1580 machines. For photocell setup, you first set the type, whether it's NPN or PNP, then the distance from the photocell to the printhead, and also the delay. Those are the main ones. For these three parameters, the first two are the photocell type and the distance from the photocell to the printhead. These two are configured in the line setup. To set up the line, tap tools, then line setup. Here we can give the line a name, just any name for our configuration. Once named, we click next and then next again, going through each step. Select the parameters we need to set, including the direction, left to right or right to left, and whether the printhead orientation is normal or inverted. For the print mode, you can choose single print, multiple, or continuous. Set those here. Next is the sensor. Sensor. Okay, now we need to configure this part. First, let's check what kind of sensor we have. If it's NPN, select NPN. If it's PNP, select PNP. Also, is it a high level or low level input? Yes means high level, no means low level. Then there's the distance from the sensor to the printhead. What's the actual distance? The unit is millimeters. Don't just put anything here. Use the actual distance. If it's 5 centimeters, enter 50, right? This is based on the distance from the photocell to the printhead. Once this is configured, click Next. After the line is set up, these two are done. Photocell type, signal level, and the distance. After that, there's the delay. Where is the delay? Let's use this message as an example. Click Job, then Edit. Edit in here. In this section, there is margin, print margin. Print margin is right here. This represents the delay, the print delay. We adjust the delay here. Okay, all set.